Oh, look at that. She's preening her. Oh, that's adorable. That is really sweet. That is a... Oh, I can't believe how sweet this is. I'm going to have to turn this into a full video and not a short, I believe. Because I didn't think she was going to start doing that. And I got to... That is so amazing. That is something I didn't think they were going to do. I love having these birds. I really do. Every day something different happens that just changes my outlook on everything. See, you got a friend. Oh, it's really sweet. It's just a shame that Keeley doesn't seem to care. She's like, yeah, whatever. I'm eating my grit. I might edit this down into a short. I can't believe that she's actually like warmed up to Keeley, but I can't get her to do it to Kermit, which is the whole reason I purchased her. But I'm so happy I have her regardless, even if she doesn't warm up to Kermit, because she's literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I just can't even. It's just too cute.